Lincoln Electric understands the critical nature of welding requirements in the pipe mill industry, from stringent requirements on extreme wall thicknesses to consumables for pipes used in highly demanding environments. Consistency and reliability are key to delivering a project on time and under budget. Urhan & Schwill, a Lincoln Electric company, is the recognized industry leader with decades of experience in the development of integrated systems for pipe mills. Together with you, Lincoln Electric opens a new dimension and moves your submerged arc welding to the next level. As the submerged arc process specialist, Lincoln supports you in selecting optimum process, ideal parameters, and consumables that guarantee the required mechanical properties. Rate yourself. Where are you today, and where do you want to be in the future? Together, we will develop the best solution while maximizing your savings through highest deposition rates, highest quality, and optimized parameters with your actual equipment and potential investment. Lincoln Electric offers the full submerged arc solution from one hand. We simply offer more and move your submerged arc welding to the next level.